Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase Algorand investments with Gemini. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To increase your Algorand investments using Gemini, start by opening the Gemini app or website. If you don't have an account yet, create one by selecting the sign up option. Fill in your information, including your email address and a strong password. Verify your identity as required by Gemini. This process may involve submitting identification documents. Once your account is set up and verified, log in to your Gemini account. Navigate to the main dashboard, where you can view your portfolio. Select the buy option to purchase Algorand. Enter the amount of Algorand you wish to buy. Review the current market price and any applicable fees. Confirm your order to finalize your purchase. To track your investment, return to your portfolio section. Explore the tools and resources Gemini provides for market analysis. Consider setting price alerts for Algorand to stay informed about market changes. You can also explore dollar cost averaging for consistent investment over time. Additionally, consider using Gemini Earn to earn interest on your Algorand holdings. Review your investment strategy regularly and adjust as needed. Stay updated with Algorand news to make informed decisions. Engage with the Algorand community for insights and tips. Always ensure your account security by enabling two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you'll enhance your Algorand investment experience with Gemini. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.